Meaning of declarative.
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 Declarative. Declarative refers to a type of programming paradigm wherein the programmer describes what needs to be accomplished, without specifying how it should be achieved. Essentially, the programmer provides a statement of the desired result and the system figures out how to achieve that result. This is in contrast to imperative programming, where the programmer specifies step-by-step instructions for how the system should accomplish a task. With a declarative approach, the system can optimize its performance, making it easier to write and maintain code. Overall, a declarative approach can lead to more efficient and streamlined coding practices.